Hello everyone, this is the practical session where we are going to look at what do you mean by toArray of method in Stream API, and also we are going to see off method, which is like stream.off of I, right? So we are going to see both the methods in Stream API with respect to Java 1.8, and I'm going to show you guys how to write these two methods and where we can use it efficiently in your program. And I'm going to write a program, practical coding, so that you will understand in and out of it. So first of all, we want to know, we should know what is mean by toArray of method, right? So the toArray of method is used to convert a given stream into an array. Let's say you have an array and you want to convert, right? So you have a stream and you want to convert into an array, then you can go for toArray of. Assume that you have array but you want to convert into stream, then you can go for stream.off of. So basically these two are opposite functionalities, and now I'm going to write a program to convert an array list into an array. So basically I have an array list like which is having a string array list with s.add of Karthik, Jay and San. Now I want to convert this array list into an array, right? So how can I do that? So first of all I need to convert into a stream. So yes dot stream of. So once I convert into a stream of, then I want to convert into an array, right? So I have a method called toArray of, right? So toArray of. So here, if you guys see here, it is saying like it returns an array containing these elements of the stream. What does it mean? Whatever the elements exist in this collection, which is like the array list, the same thing will be there in the array, but it will be converted into array, right? So if I say this one, but I want to give the parameter saying that what type of array it should be. So since it is storing the string values, so it should be string array, right? So string array, then I can say constructor of new, because I'm using constructor reference here, so that it will create a new string array because of new object of string array it is going to convert, right? And I'm going to store it into a string array. Let's say string array SA is equal to like this, right? And if you want to print this, how I can print the elements in the string array? So for loop, what I can do here is for each elements in SA, right? So I can say that as, let's say, R of type string, because it is storing only string, right? So then I can say this out R, right? So let me go and run this program. I want to see that, yeah, Karthik, Jay and San, right? Whatever you have it here, it is all printed here, but it is actually printed from string array. So now this SS has been converted into SA, which is a string array. So this is the way, this is the way you have to use toArray of, right? And the opposite way of doing this one is nothing but converting an array into a string. Assume that you have an integer array, let's say I is equal to, let's say you have some data, let's say 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, now you have this array. Now the requirement is to convert this array into an array list or whatever you want, right? So what you can do here is stream, in this interface stream, which was introduced by Java 1.8, right? Stream dot off method, right? So this off, actually, if you guys see here, the parameters is type of like type of t is a single element, right? Whatever you want to pass it, you can pass it. It can be array, it can be collection, it can be a group of elements, whatever it is, right? So, but actually it returns a singleton sequencer stream. Actually, what it returns is a stream of objects. So let's say I'm saying here, I am just passing this array, right? So if I pass this array of I here, stream of I is going to return back the stream, right? And on the stream, I can simply say count, right? We have seen, or you can say, collect, right? Collect of collectors dot as list, sorry, to list, right? Which is going to bring it back as a list, right? So here you can say list of integers, because it is storing only the integers, right? Integer, yeah, integer. L is equal to stream dot off, then collect it as a list, right? Now you can print this list, right? Probably you can simply say this is out. You can simply say what is the size of the list, L dot size, just to make sure it contains all these 4 elements or not, right? So let me go and run this program. Yeah, it is giving 4, right? So 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, right? It contains 4 elements, so it is printing as 4. So this is how it actually works, right? So what I did here is I have an array list, and that array list is a collection, right? And I want to convert that collection of array list into a stream of convert first into a stream, and then from the stream I can convert into an array. And whatever the type of data it contains, like what type of array I want to store it, right? It should be a string array or integer array, right? So since it is string array, it is storing string elements. So I want to create a string array. So string of array with a new keyword, because using a constructor reference, I'm creating a object of the string array, and then I'm storing all these values. And I'm just, for display purpose, I was just iterating here, and then I'm displaying each elements here. And if you guys see here, Karthik, Jay, and San, these 3 elements, whatever is there in the list is now printed from the array list. Sorry, array, string array. Similarly, the opposite way, like if you want to convert an array into a collection of list, then what I can do here is integer of array is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. This is what I have taken, and from this array I'm just want to print it into a list, right? So for that, what I can do here is of stream.off of I, which means like it is actually accepts any group of elements. It can be array, it can be collection or anything, and then I want to collect it as a list. So I'm using collect of method, and then toList method is going to bring it back to the list, and I'm storing it in real, and I'm just want to show you guys how it works. So I'm just printing the size, so which is giving me the size answer as 4, which means this 10, 20, 30, 40 is this, like size is 4. So this is how actually toArray of method and also of method is works with respect to stream. I hope you guys have understood this concept, and you have to think whenever you want to convert from a collection into a stream or stream into a collection, you have to use this appropriately. Hope you guys have getting in and out of this both these methods. And if you guys still have any questions, please post your comments. Thank you guys. Bye bye.